So they don't need the admin menu. So simply you can skip the admin menu, okay. That is how the sub rule is configured. So I'll be showing another sub rule, that is role_UI admin, that is. Most important thing. I believe it won't work for me, but let me try, or else we can try from the back end. Okay, from the back end we can try. So this Adam C user is there, right? I said you. There is another sub rule, okay. The role_UI admin. So this sub rule. It is given to people, right? To perform admin tasks, or they can change the name of any level. So let me show how this is done. I'll go add a user. Again, I'm doing the Adam C user, adding it here, right? So Adam C user now part of two role. One was a role_end user, right? Let me go here. From here. Delete this Adam C user. So Adam C user only part of now. Role_UI admin. If I go to role_UI admin. Open it and this user only. Now I'll go again. I'll log in. Log out. And again log in with the Adam C user. Enter the username. Enter the password. Login. I don't have access to this page. Let me add the cancel. I believe he need the access to role_admin energy. This one. So I'm going to add the and the role_environment. Access. And the role_admin. No access is given, right? Let me. Okay. So now. I go and refresh it. Let me see. Close the C world. Open a new account. And type. Username. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to OK. So this model from you. It's not working properly. That is why you don't see the things here. I think any other thing is missing. 367 came. XS is the request map. If I go to request, 384. They're only. Okay, the old industry where admin. Okay, I think from your UI again it happening. So it's not working properly. But you see, this pane I can write. Once I assign this role in this query. When user is there. This overall. If I assign this item's user to this sub-roles and log in as write, it will see me a pencil. I can, in each and every menu. Basically it's not loading properly. Otherwise you know. You see, you can click on the pencil icon, this edit label right. It will have allowing you to edit the option. There is a problem in this specific version. But we have a other way. How we can, modify, and that is. That is the most proficiency way or correct way to modify the things or any level. We can modify it right, how we can do that. So that is, we can do it from the back-end server. Basically how it is done. It is done through the back-end server. So there is a file called message. Properties. Okay. Let me install the PuTTY. I think PuTTY is already configured. Okay, it's not done. Let me grab the PuTTY properly now. 99. PuTTY and VNSCP. This is a PuTTY and VNSCP. Let me install both the things. Give them a minute. It is installing both the things right. Let me type PuTTY here. Open it. OK. Here we have to give our address right where it is. We are able to log in right 192.168.56.101. So type this address, 192.168.56.101. OK. Click Open. Accepted, OK. What is the username root password root, 123. OK, once you log in inside this, just give cd. OK. Then type LL. We have your PuTTY.